Hey there, it's Stu Beans from the Little House of Beans. Today on I'm Not Cooking, today on Cooking with Edye, we're going to make mozzarella sticks two ways. Both will use a pie crust. One we're going to do more mozzarella style, so we're going to use some breading, Italian breading on top of that. The other one we're going to make more of a pizza roll style, and we're going to do it on two levels of the Omnia oven using this upper oven rack on the top and the perforated grate on the bottom. The recipe, if you can call it a recipe, will be in the description below, along with the links to all the products you see Edye using here. Now, you want to watch this video until the very end because we're going to give away a perforated grate and an upper rack. What is it called? An upper oven rack. We're going to give away both of these to one lucky winner. So stay tuned and find out how you can win this. If you didn't already know, we have a Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Ding! We also have a cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edye, featuring Edye and featuring the Omnia oven. That is available on Amazon, as well as an ebook directly on our website, www.littlehouseofbeans.com. Do us a huge favor. The best way that you can help our channel grow and continue to bring content to you is to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be notified every time we come out with a new video, which is almost every week for 52 weeks. I'm ready to eat. Edye's ready to cook. You're ready to win some of this. Let's do it.
Honey, I got what you want. Give me all of your love, 'cause it's burning hot. It's what you do to me, babe, I can guarantee. Honey, I got what you need. Under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me.
Here's a trick. If you just crumple the parchment paper, then it will lay smooth.
Can't feel me? No. Can you handle it? Right. Do you want it? Don't put your love on hold. I can't take it anymore. Oh, put your love on me now. Trust me and you will see. Oh, honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. Give me your love, no holding back, no. We could take it to the stars where you wanna go. The things that we can do, don't need to prove you know. Honey, I got what you want. Yeah, under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me no lies, I always get mine. Don't play with me. So do you want it? Do you want it? Can you feel me? Can you feel me now? Can you handle it? Alright. So do you want it? Don't put your love on hold. I can't take it anymore. Put your
Is it the nicest looking preparation? Probably not. Will it be the tastiest? Heck yeah.
Honey, I got what you need. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. So don't put your love on hold. Can't feel me, I can't take it anymore. Don't put your love on me. Trust me and you will see.
Take two. Why? Why must this be so difficult after years of everyone complaining? Can't Pillsbury just think of a new way? For the love of...
Here, let me do it.
All right.